So you down with the movement?
What movement?
Hood Rich movement.
Man, what the fuck you think, man?
Prove it.
Strobe light.
Yeah.
Strobe light alert.
Okay, Trey. Let's do it. Listen. See, money over everything. You don't want no problems. My bitch got a belly ring and she sniff powder. My baby mama trippin' though cause she's an alcoholic. My boys, they got that semi-tuck, don't make me get that chopper. Bullets that will lift you up, politics that could rip you. Trust when niggas try to take a trip with us, body bags, it's ridiculous. Moving inconspicuous, making people oblivious. These cats in the game and they're not taking me serious. Moving individuals, coming back in the numerals. My goons, they be active, they're clapping up at your funeral. Look at what we done to you, when we done we make fun of you. What you think you're running to? Cock-a-doodle, we spit at you. I'm a beast, I'm a boss, I'm a motherfucking menace. When niggas get to talking, I shut them up and they listen. Anywhere I go, I gotta take it to the limit. I've been dead for 5 years, it's just that death won't admit it. Under siege, me in this bitch, thought I told you it never stop. Every time we make a hit, these niggas make their album flop. Independent artist making his way all the way to the top. I throw my project off the edge just to watch the album drop. Got a mathematical question for you, so won't you answer it? Double up with 2 pistols, multiplying by half of it. Add a banana clip and let's see if they can really handle it. AK-47, my temper is causing havoc. Bitch, my tactics giving master this. Niggas need to practice shit. I battle this like battleships. Music is my battle, bitch. Time to flip this game on my platinum albums. I find them just because you never heard them doesn't mean they're not banging. See, I'm the prophet of this time that is coming. I keep on flowing and flowing. A freestyle rhyme coming off of the dome, and I make it rain. These critics, yes, they're bound to be warm. Soon as I step in the picture, no need to say no more. Bringing it back, celebration with some weed and some yak. It's Under Siege Productions, dog, and yes, we're coming in packs. Moving high as the clouds, we staying true to our facts. I'm a businessman, entrepreneurs to be exact. Listen, see no more studio gangsters, dog, I say no more. They think I turn my back on the game, just say no more. When I make a million a song, watch how they say no more. You say no more, he says no more, they best not say no more. Cause if you do, you're taking a chance of never living. And take a look at my mind, thinking you see a demon. So don't stutter when you feel my rap. So I applause with these pistols for me to make them clap. Standing ovation, so notice how this mic bleeds. It got me killing the game. Do you wanna be like me? See, I found Saddam and then I called up Obama. But when they mixed them both together, they called me the Unabomber. See, bombs over Baghdad, these niggas need the bag. I'm steady flipping this money, pimping. You know I got that contact. 17 digits up on my contract, my house back. I gotta put my money where my mouth at. Fly as a kite. Why these faggots fly low? All in is the game, so my niggas, we playing pros. Music in my veins, so you're tripping on how I flow straight from the mind. But the blunt was making me blow. Fucking with the hustle, these niggas, they really can't handle. I'm like Scarface, dog, the way I throw money out the Lambo. Automatic rifles are fully loaded with ammo. Taking niggas out, look out, coming like Rambo. Hush, be quiet, they don't open their mouth. I catch them slipping while they sleeping, then I blow up their house. A hawk on a block with night vision beaming them out. I'll take out your whole family, it's like I'm leaving a drought. So we can hit it, y'all. Lyrical, K-Trey, the miracle. Under Siege Productions, we're making your life difficult. Physical, typical, a lifelong ritual. Believing in something that's meaning that you're really spiritual. I'm gone. What? I said I'm gone. I can do this all day, man. But I'm gone.